Having been able to do all this text manipulation and create new values and mixed values and extract information from strings and add information to strings, the clever bit has not quite finished. Everything we've done to date has been using a function. So you can see if we look at the employees underscore concatenated file, we have the surname that has been calculated using a function, the new email address, which has been calculated using a function, and also in this case the lower and the title case names. If at some point you then want the new value to become the actual value, so the actual value of your text, then we can actually copy that value. So if I wanted the upper surnames to become the surnames, I could copy that whole column and let's paste that into sheet 2. And you'll see that initially the surnames appear, but then we get a hash ref all the way down the column. Because what we are pasting in, as always with formulas, is the actual relative path of that formula, and it now cannot find the surname value to change into uppercase. What I need to do, while I still have the little special paste option hanging out here, is to click on and choose paste values, of which there are 3 sort of sub choices. One is values and number formatting, one is plain values, and one is values and source formatting. So it depends where you want the format from. I'm going to go with the middle choice, which is values and number formatting, which is going to be the same as the first because we're dealing with text. But I choose the option and then you see all the surnames actually appear in text format. These are now the surnames. They're now no longer a formula working on the original surname. They are values in their own right. So in reality, what you would tend to do is copy the column and paste it back over the top of the data that you want, using paste options here to paste the values back over the top. So instead of doing paste and then choosing the option out the side, we can paste the values straight back in. And then my surnames are now all uppercase. This column that had the function in and was doing the work has now finished its usefulness and I can throw it away. Then has a knock-on effect to other formulas, so you've got to be a little bit careful that you haven't done formulas on top of formulas. But in our case here, I just wanted the upper surname. So the same would happen with the email. These are all the new email address. So I would copy. And there's nothing to stop me actually pasting back over the top, but pasting the values back, paste values. And these are now all text values of the person's new email address, rather than a function that is generating the email address. So we use our functions to create the new values, but then to retain those values as text values, we need to use the clever copy and paste special to get the paste values. If we do a copy again, that paste special values is either on the right click paste values here, or we can go up to the big paste button and it pops down and we've got the 3 paste value options. Just the values with any number formatting retained, or the values with the source formatting retained.